Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Lifelong brand replacement polyurethane office chair wheels. Great for hardwood floors or carpet. This is a set of 5. They're heavy duty casters for chairs that will allow you to replace your ugly office chair mats, which end up damaging your floors anyways, but these will not damage your floor. They have a 100% guarantee. They get excellent ratings. Customers just love these wheels. They support up to 650 pounds total, which is 130 pounds per wheel. These are the last office chair wheels you'll need. The company stands by them. They fit on 98% of office chairs out there on the market, and the urethane is very durable. And you won't need your mat anymore on your floor. This won't scratch, smudge. You can move around much easier on your floor. I have these on all my wheels across my house because they just work that great. And they're very easy to install. I'm going to show you. They just pop right in place, and it's kind of like set it and forget it. So easy. Let's take a look at the box right here. So it has information about the company right here. Total satisfaction number, priority, considerable effort in ensuring we created the best office chair wheels. Direct customer service number, how often you see that, that's great. And an email also, and a website. Let's take a look here. So you open this up, and they're all individually wrapped. Keep them sealed and nice. Let's set this aside. Let's take a look at this. Let's open one of these up so you get an idea what it looks like. I'm going to go close to the camera so you can see. You can see it's got the brand on there, Lifelong, right there. And these are sealed bushings, ball bearings on this side and on this side. And then this is a real durable, hardened plastic. And this is the urethane, you can see. Now look at the profile of this. It's got a very small profile. And what that does is that the contact area is minimal. And that's how it doesn't damage anything, because it's got such a small contact area on your floor, and that's what causes it to move quite easily. I mean, these just work beautifully. See how they just spin? Listen to that, it's incredible. And there's also the universal connection right there. It's got a little bushing there that will adjust as you push it in. And then these are pre-lubricated. You can see right on here, there's ball bearings on there if you look closely. You can hear them, and those are what are going to support that weight of 130 pounds per wheel. I love this product because it just allows you to move more freely and not damage your floor, your hardwood floor, and also work on your carpeting. It's just, you can't go wrong with something like this with their warranty. So I'm totally impressed with this product. I'm going to install it, and I'll show you how I installed it on my office chair in my office room. So this is the chair I'm going to be replacing the stock wheels on. This is a Hans brand VL05. It's a heavy duty chair, a mesh chair, and it came with standard wheels, as you can see right here. Now you notice I have a plastic piece on the floor because the floor got severely damaged from these wheels. And if you look at the wheels, you can see that they accumulate a lot of dirt on the wheels themselves. And that's what sticks on the wheel and causes buildup, and that's what damages the floor, I believe. So I bought one of these expensive floor liners after I refinished the floor actually. So I'm looking forward to having the new wheels on there that won't mar the floor, and then I can get rid of this ugly plastic piece on the floor and put some nice new wheels. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the old wheels. So here's the old wheel. You can see there's that accumulated dirt. And I have a tool here that I hope is going to help me. One of these plastic Aries removal tools, and I'm going to place it right in the back here and gently pry the old wheel off. See a lot of grease on there, So let's clean up that grease. Let's put on the new wheel. So here I have the wheel taken off, the old one, and I'm going to show how simple it is to install the lifelong wheel on there. That's it. Simple as that. So there they are, the lifelong wheels. I've had them on here for about 2 months right now, and they work really well. Again, I'm impressed with the product. If you replace all your office chair wheels with something like this from Lifelong, they're excellent and they just roll so easily. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.